A lot of people struggle with understanding how they can live their life with meaning and purpose, and full of ease, positivity, and abundance. It's for this reason that I just created my brand new life coaching program, where I will teach you the essential skills you need to consciously transform and reshape the areas in your life where you feel most stuck. And using these same tools, you can help others do the same. This comprehensive, step-by-step online program will show you how to find your inner power and how to make realistic, positive changes in even the most challenging parts of your life in as little as 8 weeks. So, if you're someone who struggles with self-limiting beliefs and lack of confidence, or if you're feeling stuck in an unhealthy relationship or haven't found your soulmate, or you don't know how to attract abundance, or you're feeling unfulfilled and without purpose in your life, know that you're not alone. Many people stay stuck in patterns of self-doubt, emotional imbalance, and negative thinking. Over time, these patterns reinforce unhealthy habits, attract toxic relationships, limit your success, and build up subconscious anxiety, fear, and stress. So, to help you make lasting positive changes so you can live a life full of meaning and abundance and joy, I have created my brand new online life coaching course. It's called Living Your Best Life. This comprehensive program will show you how to reprogram your mind and your heart so that your thoughts, feelings, and actions embody your highest self. As well, I will be teaching you how to use all of these life tools to help guide others so you can make a real difference in the world. Over the last 20 years, I have been blessed with the opportunity to help thousands of students from around the world elevate their lives. I originally learned the basic framework of therapy and personal development through my master's degree in counseling psychology. However, I realized that to create lasting change and empower each person to transform their lives to the highest level, I would need to infuse the highest principles of spiritual living, philosophy, and practice. Since then, I have had the rare blessing of starting my own retreat center in Bali, where I have been facilitating intensive training courses. Here, I teach people from all walks of life. There's yoga teachers, therapists, healers, life coaches, wellness practitioners, and school teachers who come from all over the world and learn these methods and techniques so they can reshape their own lives and help reshape the lives of others. Over the years, I have developed a method that I call holistic life shaping to utilize all these various techniques and life tools from the traditions of the East and West so you can create lasting changes in your life and help facilitate deep transformation in the lives of others. So now, for the first time, I am sharing my holistic life-shaping method in my brand new 8-week life coaching course called Living Your Best Life. The course is incredibly comprehensive as we're covering a lot of ground while we explore all the key life themes. There are over 60 video lessons, and although I can't cover them all now, I'd like to give you a small glimpse into some of the topics and fascinating things you'll be learning. In Module 1, you'll learn the power of radical acceptance, where you will learn how to identify and transform negative conditionings into positively affirming thoughts and actions. You'll also learn how to let go of insecurity and be filled with self-confidence as you reprogram your mind and heart to embody inner strength and courage. In Module 2, you'll discover the 4 pillars of health and learn morning rituals and routines, as well as daytime and evening rituals and routines, and how to make lifestyle choices that support a balanced, healthy life. You'll learn how to let go of self-sabotaging patterns that enforce a negative body image or self-image, and replace it with a positive mindset and choices that support your body as your temple. In Module 3, you will learn the ABCs of working with emotions for anyone that is just getting acquainted with their feelings and their emotional body, and so that you can share this technique with someone who is at the beginning of their process work. I'll also teach you how to heal emotional wounds and traumas through a 3-stage process to emotional freedom, as well as teaching you how to manage emotional triggers. In Module 4, you will learn new techniques for cultivating a clear and calm mind and learn how to let go of self-limiting thoughts and patterns that keep you stuck and shift them into positive beliefs that empower you. You'll discover how to tune into and align with your true inner voice and affect change in your life by understanding where your power lies and by trusting your inner guidance. In Module 5, it's a big one. Here we'll be exploring your life themes mandala. We'll examine your 7 key life themes to see which are thriving, which needs your attention, and learn how to discern and prioritize where to direct your energy. You'll learn how to open yourself up to abundance in all forms and allow abundance to flow through you. I'll teach you how to sustain a loving and balanced intimate relationship while avoiding some of the common problems that destroy relationships. In Module 6, I will guide you through a process of envisioning and embodying your life's purpose. I'll show you how to align, trust, and surrender to your soul's calling and gain a crystal clear vision of your true purpose in life with the 3 steps to surrender living. You'll discover how to release the mental constructs that block you from fulfilling your true life's purpose and learn how to cultivate unwavering trust and unshakable courage to listen to and follow your highest self, despite any fears or hesitation. In Module 7, I will share with you how to use the tools, methods, and techniques in this course to help others so you can truly make a difference in the world. You'll learn how to apply the 4 essential principles of spiritual counseling to help your clients gain clarity and insight into their problems and how to empower them to find the right solution with the flow formula. As well, you'll learn a 4-step process in creating a safe space, which includes sealing the energy, establishing boundaries and communication guidelines, and clearing the energy so that your clients or students feel protected and comfortable in sharing and expressing themselves. And in the final module, I will show you how to evolve spiritually as you learn how to fully embrace your connection to the divine and live your life with intention and meaning through the 4 pillars of spiritual transformation. I'll show you various spiritual practices from the 4 paths of yoga that you can incorporate into your daily life. As well, I've created numerous self-transformation tools that you can use to release, let go, and spiritually evolve. Some of which include guided meditation MP3s, a loving kindness meditation, a special yoga nidra chakra cleansing MP3, mindfulness and gratitude practices, a morning sunrise ritual, and 2 bonus lessons on how to create a sacred space and how to do a beginner's ritual. Like I said, the course is very comprehensive as it provides you with a holistic framework to help you succeed in whatever area of life you need to focus on at any given time so that you can come back into balance. The course is designed to be a lifelong companion on your journey of self-discovery. You have lifetime access to all the material, and you can go at your own pace and start by studying only the material that is most important or relevant for you. So if this sounds like something that you resonate with, you can go ahead and click the button below to sign up and get started right away. I'll see you inside the training, and I can't wait to connect with you personally so I can help you elevate and uplift your life to a whole new level. Namaste.